Okay, so today we have another NocoGBX 55 that was sent in. Customer reports device is completely dead and does not take charge. First, let's verify the issue. Plugging in the USB. Let's turn on the power. Okay, the charger is providing 5.2 volts. However, hopefully you can see the Noco is drawing 0 amps. So of course it isn't charging. However, we get the fake charging light. We can see the flashing red LED. But we know the batteries aren't charging because 0 amps is being drawn through the device. Okay, I've already opened this device up for the sake of time. They've done a much better job on this GBX. There are some gaskets here, I guess to provide a better water seal. But still very compactly, but still a very densely packed device. It's almost like a mobile phone. Alright. I'm trying to access battery. So we can test the battery voltage. Get the meter on DC volts. I don't think you'll be able to see when I'm plugging these ports in. However, I'm testing the voltage across the battery pack. You will be able to see what the reading is though on the multimeter. And it seems we've only got 3.4 volts. You can also see there's a diode there, so probably want to test that diode also. Alright, let's disassemble this a bit better and let's take a closer look. Okay, we're now able to have a closer look at that diode. Let's just put our meter into diode mode, test that diode. So first, I've got it in reverse bias, so I've got the positive probe on the negative end and the negative probe on the positive end of the diode. Okay. Get OL, which is fine. You can switch it over. And it seems to be reading short. Okay, so that's not a good sign. Alright, so for good practice, we're going to take that diode, here it is, we're going to take that diode off the board, test it again, and if it is shorted, we replace it and see what happens. Okay, so we replaced the diode. Let's test the device again. Okay, you see it powers on. hopefully you can see now we're drawing 0.75, so 750 milliamps. That looks good. Let's try. See the lights work. And that seems to be a fix. I'm going to leave it so it can charge up a bit more and then test it again. Okay, so this video is a follow-up on the NocoGBX 55 that we recently repaired. Remember, we found a bad diode, very low battery. I've since reassembled the Noco. I've left it charging for a few hours and it seems to be charging perfectly. It's almost fully charged. So I thought it was a good time to do a follow-up video. Let's turn it on. Well, actually, before we do that, hopefully you can see here on the meter, we're providing 12.3 volts, and the Noco, it's drawing 750 milliamps, that is, so that's fine. Let's turn the device on. I'm going to take the power off. Okay, so I've just unplugged the charger. Let's turn it on. As you can see, all the LEDs for the batteries are fully lit. Let's try boosting. The boost circuit works fine. I'm just going to take the charge across the clamps, make sure we're getting the correct voltage. You should be able to see on the multimeter. Here we go, a nice solid 16 volts. That's great. Let's turn the boost circuit off. Test the torch light. Torch light works fine. That's it. That's a fix. I'm going to turn this off and put it back to charge until it's 100%. Okay. If you have any problems with your Noco, see our link in the description and you can send it in. But that's it for this one. See you again in the next repair. Bye for now.